Looking for a natural talc-free body powder that's easy to make? Here's a simple DIY recipe that helps keep your skin feeling fresh, dry, and comfortable. For this recipe, you'll need ½ cup arrowroot powder, 1/4 cup cornstarch, 1/4 cup baking soda, 15 to 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. You'll also need a mixing bowl and an airtight glass jar for storage. Combine the arrowroot powder, cornstarch, and baking soda in a bowl. If you're using essential oils, add them now and stir until the scent is evenly distributed. Transfer the finished powder into an airtight glass jar. Lightly dust the powder onto clean, dry skin after a shower to help absorb moisture and reduce friction. You can also sprinkle a little into your shoes to help keep them fresh. If you're making this for babies or anyone with very sensitive skin, leave out the essential oils. If you found this DIY helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, all-natural home recipes.